I just wish more people could realize how beautiful life is right now and how
Mm,
perfect they are right now and how good life is right now. It's
mm,
just don't wait till you're on your deathbed until you realize how good life is. Don't wait until you're before your death to
mm,
start loving yourself and loving other people. And it's this life is weird and confusing, but
mm.
it's we are supposed to be happy as human beings. It's not natural to be sick. It's okay, it happens, but it's not natural to be sad all the time. It's not natural to be angry all the time. It's natural to be happy, it's natural to be healthy, and it's natural to be present. But it's so important that we get to this point of love for ourselves and love for our brother and sister and our
Mm,
neighbor. Just this world can be changed.
mm.
Um, and I know it's like, oh, flower child, oh, love this, love that. And it's like, of course, we have to be protect ourselves.
Sure, sure.
But instead of through the process of complaining and judging, we must change. We must go above the problems and look at them through a loving lens instead of our conditioned lens. But just
Mm,
life is so short as human beings that our purpose here is really to be our true authentic selves and to be joyous as more often than sad and angry.
yeah.
It's life is so short and it's so important to experience on a joyous way, and it's how we define it individually. It's not how other people define it, but it's just a really beautiful experience. And I just really wish for more people to experience this life in a way that I have transformed my life to. Not specifically exactly the way I have, but I just it'd be so much it'd be so amazing if more people just were loving of themselves and loving of other people and just focus more on joy and fun and laughter.
Yeah.